Many customers at Etrafficers use Calyx Point as their loan origination software, or LOS. Each loan application completed on your website can be downloaded as a MISMO 3.4 XML file and then uploaded into Calyx Point. To start, download the 3.4 XML file by going to the desired loan application page and click the button that says Download 3.4. Then, open Point and click the New button. In the window that pops up, make sure New is selected along with New Blank File. Once loaded, click File, then Import From, then Fannie Mae 3.4 MISMO. Find your file and click Import. Once uploaded, you may notice that the borrowers and co-borrowers are not connected. To combine them, you will first need to save the file. Then, go up into the Borrower-Co-Borrower menu and click on Swap or Delete. Look at the section titled Merge Borrower into Co-Borrower position in the selected file. Under To, you will select the borrower, the .brw. And under From, you will select the co-borrower, the .cb1. Click Merge. It will now import the co-borrower's details into the loan application. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@etraffickers.com.